up to my Bree gang? What is up to my Bree squad? It is your girl Bree and Bree.
And it's your girl Tisha.
And we are back with another freaking video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the Bree gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. Alright, y'all. I know y'all see that thumbnail. I know y'all see that title.
Yeah.
Excuse the lighting, y'all. We done snuck up out of quarantine. It's 7:49 p.m., okay? And we done came to get some canes. Now, real quickly, because we ready to eat. Tisha got a three box combo is what they call it. Yeah. And then I got the 4 chicken tenders with the toast, which I'm giving Tisha here. And I got double french fries and I got a sweet tea, y'all. Which is so good.
You know what you're missing.
It's alright. Y'all, I'm starving. Y'all, I have not felt like cooking. Not one time. Not one time. And it shows. Because if I look at my bank statement right now, it's going to be food.
It's hot.
It's supposed to be fresh. And I don't know if everybody got Canes where they are, but this was about $15 and some change. So I don't know if that's expensive or what. People say Canes is like one of the expensive chicken spots, I guess. Let me tell y'all something. When it's fresh, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot.
No.
Oh, buddy. Today is what? Wednesday?
Yep.
Oh, Lord. Tomorrow's Thursday. I'm out Friday and Monday. So I'm ready for tomorrow to be open.
5 days to a real one's birthday. Y'all already know.
No.
Don't be looking like that.
Speaking of a real one, y'all want to see Tisha, so here she go.
Why are you acting like that on my birthday, dog?
It's not your birthday yet.
I'm not sure.
Everything she say, y'all, listen. My birthday. Girl, it's not your birthday yet.
About to be.
So.
You look cute or whatever.
Thank you, sir. Y'all, Tisha like my wig, y'all. I think it came out pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry if I'm smacking y'all. It's hot.
You must have got one of them crumbs in my eye, though.
For me?
Yeah.
How are you a crumb in your eye?
Oh, okay. That's better.
Y'all comment down below. Let us know what y'all eating tonight or what y'all ate tonight, because I don't know what time I'm going to post this tonight.
Good shot. Another banger. Oh, man.
Don't get in the comments asking what Sparkle at, because y'all see we eating in the car, so Sparkle ain't going to be here.
She wish.
She would have her nose all in my plate.
Ooh, fries burning my mouth.
And y'all, today my job sent out an email. Basically, they doing a layoff, or as they call it, scaling back. They weren't very transparent. I think they cutting back people hours and stuff like that. When you cutting hours and stuff, it's gonna affect other stuff like full-time benefits and stuff like that for people. Now, it ain't everybody. It's I don't know if a lot of y'all know, but I work for a home health and hospice company, so it's in reference to right now. I hope it don't, continue and they get to talking about that in different departments, but right now they just talking about our field staff. So the people who are actually out here doing our therapies and stuff like that. Our nurses, our RNs, and all that.
But those the ones. Mm-hmm.
That's what they're trying to cut back on.
Well,
they said we overstaffed, but see, my thing is, I feel like a company as big as mine, I'm not gonna say where I work, but we're number 3 in home health. So I feel like the way they talking like we done ran out of money or something, they gotta do cutbacks. I know we ain't ran out no money, cause I be saying we have town hall meetings every quarter, and I'm looking at that cash flow.
You got them folks business.
They put us in their bill. I'm for real though. But it's real unfortunate. It hurt my feelings. I was like, you know, just because because most of them, they make more than like even what I would make, you know, like they clinical. So I'm in the back office, so of course they make more. And so it's just like, even though you make more money, I believe in more money, more problems, more money, more bills. So I feel like it would be equivalent to someone with my income or someone even with a smaller income still, you know, losing their job or whatever. They might not be able to maintain. It sucks. We had one person walk out of branch, a receptionist, and she said she ain't come back. I'm waiting on the full story of that. I'm just like, oh boy.
You don't want to bite?
You know I don't want that bread.
You be like that.
Yeah, I do not want no Texas toast. They bread really not half bad, but I don't fool with it.
Bomb. I love bread.
I like bread too, but
I should have got an extra
not all
one.
bread. You got
piece of bread for every piece of chicken strap.
No.
No. Give me some.
She always mess with me, y'all. Then when I cuss out, she be looking crazy. I actually wanted some Popeyes, but I think I kind of just wanted chicken in general, so this will do.
How far away was Popeye?
It's across the street.
Oh, really?
It's right here.
Oh.
Look behind you, you can see it. Maybe Popeyes tomorrow if I feel like cooking. Yeah, I need a drink.
I'm gonna have to make this something. I need me one too. It's been a long day. Yeah.
Dallas opening back up on the 1st. I don't know why I'm announcing it, but I ain't gonna be out there. The drive-thru is about as much as I do. If it ain't going to the store to get, you know, stuff that we need. Other than that, other than going to get needs or something for Sparkle, I done been to Walmart, Sam's,
That's it.
Pet Supplies Plus, and through drive-thrus. Yeah, just to, you know, if it ain't for us or for Sparkle,
I need some more vanilla Cokes too. Gotta get me some.
I need some other drink too. My little tea. Yeah, I got tea. Now I did buy it a while ago, but it said it expired on the 28th. I go to look at it in the fridge the other day. I guess it was it was exactly the 28th that day. Yesterday?
Yeah.
I go to look at it. It got mold in it. And I'm just like,
I didn't see any, by the way. I meant to tell you.
Because I shook it up.
Oh, okay.
It was like, you know how the drink sit still and it's around the lining?
Yeah.
It was like that. And I'm like, what the fuck? I just wanted it so bad. But I did let it sit there a while. I've been having like a craving for Dr. Peppers. That's why I haven't been getting them.
You have. Very surprising.
I need to get some root beer next time, y'all. I hadn't had root beer in forever. Where we going? I got root beer the other day. Cause I killed it.
You sure did. Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Y'all, I killed that root beer. Tisha said I wanted some.
I did.
When I took my first sip, what I say? I said this root beer here. She should have got us some then.
No, you would have cussed me out. I would have asked for some then.
It was so
you
good.
never finish your drinks though, so.
I don't, and that
I was like, well, I'm gonna wait, but
nah, this thing was here. And I was thirsty.
it look like a few more people out there.
Yeah, people in Dallas don't care. People been having game nights, kickbacks. My cousin have been going out to the park. I said, you ain't gonna be satisfied till you catch something. Catch this virus. She told me, I be having my mask on. I was why her ass wanted to come. I was like, I was don't. So some people aren't having symptoms. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, and it's vice versa though. You know, what if one of us had it and she came? You know what I'm saying? Like, we go both ways. See, stuff that ain't got symptoms is sneaky. I don't like sneaky shit. Just pop up like it's cold.
Yeah.
I want a drink. I'm ready to lay down, watch TV. I do want a candy bar. Really bad. I've been craving candy. Chocolate.
I thought I got you that Twix.
Yeah, and I shoved it down my throat. And y'all, this fingernail came off and this thumb came off. Girl, y'all, I'm talking about girl. Girls and guys, when they popped off, when I took them off, because they was coming off, so I took them off so they wouldn't break in pieces. I took it off whole. I was real careful and took it off whole. Filed that bad boy, filed my nail and got that glue off. When they got me some glue from the beauty supply, because they doing curbside pickup. Put them right back on, y'all. Them two look like they got a feel, because you know I put it up.
Let me see
Y'all
again.
got them all.
Yeah, they do.
These two look brand new, because they came off and I put them back on. Baby, I was fouling that nail and trying to get all the glue off, so because y'all know if it's glue on there, then it won't stick. So I had to go get me a file, and I had to get me a file and some glue.
Poor thing. I ain't not gonna open up to the 18th.
Yeah, y'all. So I'm thinking my nail shop open maybe on the first, maybe the second. They're gonna post on their Instagram story. May 18th. Stay tuned for details.
They're trying to be careful, baby.
I'm about to call Sam myself and be like, Sam, so is you really not doing nails to the 18th or what? Like, come on, talk to me. I need my nails on. Ooh, my feet, y'all.
It's still sexy.
Don't even get me started.
Yeah.
My feet a mess, babe.
No.
I had hit one and broke it. I had to go ahead and cut them off. And I like them when they're longer so I can get the square round shape. And I ain't got no nail. But yeah, y'all. So I ordered this wig. So my hair done. You know, take it off, put it on. So this is probably what y'all will see. And when y'all see me with this wig on, y'all gonna know I didn't want to do my hair, which is probably gonna be every day.
But they didn't even have to know it was a wig, baby.
Well, I did a video on unboxing it.
I forgot. I did watch that. My bad.
Well, some people probably think it's a sewing, but I know it's not sewed down. It ain't glued down.
Let people think it was there.
I sewed on an elastic band on the back and I got it on like a cap. Just a cap. But anywho, you guys, we're done eating. We're about to head home. This lighting is horrible. So it's starting to get dark and it's starting to cool off outside. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Hopefully I'll see y'all in the next
Bye.
video.